What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to this video in which we will be analyzing Bitcoin again. Thinking of making this a daily thing, at least when the market is like this, very volatile and very unstable. Today, quite a bullish day throughout the whole crypto market. I think you all know that Bitcoin up 8%, up above 30k again. Well, yesterday at this point of time it was at around 26,000. So that's even a bigger increase than 8%, but it was a little bit earlier, I think. Apart from that, a lot of altcoins recovering a little bit as well. Obviously, Gala, GMT, ApeCoin already started yesterday, so that was great. But like Gala up 60%, so you should notice then that it's still down 30% over the last week. Obviously, when a crypto goes down by 50%, which I think Gala did at least, it needs to recover with 100% to be back at that level. And right now it actually, like if Gala goes up another 20%, no, I don't know if that's right, but doesn't matter. So still, I mean, it's great, but it's still over the last 7 days, it's a huge drop. And we did expect this move up. We talked about it yesterday as well with the analysis of Bitcoin, but also the analysis of all the other cryptos, that at some point of time, at some support level, we are going to quiet down with the market, and then we will find some support and get some bullish moves. That's in the end also what we did last summer. Maybe it would have been different this year because we dropped down lower. We made a new lower low, but still it was going to happen at some point of time. Personally, I thought we could actually drop down a little bit lower to this like 25,000 level round, which we almost did, but not really. So this is something we saw coming, and it looks like this is the level we're going to do it at. So I actually, what we said yesterday is that we could at least get to this 30k level. And we also talked about the possibility of getting up to this level right here between more like or around like 33,000. And I think that's possible as well. The main thing we would need to do, and for that we would actually need to check out the 4 hour, I think, and we already kind of did that. So the main thing we would need to do, I think, is close above 30,000. So might be a little bit of a bold prediction, but I do think we're going to see some more bullish moves today. We might not reach 33,000, but I do think we can reach this 32,000 level. And from there, I do expect a big rejection again. But the main thing we got out of this move, I think, is that this level here around 25,000 is pretty strong. And personally, I was afraid that it was just going to be another support level. But now, and with that I mean that we were going to drop down below that within the week. But now that we know that it is this powerful, I think we can actually hold that level for a longer period of time. So if we are going to compare that with last year, and I'm not sure if that's possible, because it's very arguable if we can call last year a bear market, or that's just a very short bear market. Still a bear market, I know, but it's different things. So what we did last year is when we got that move, so we got a big increase of, I think 40%. This increase was 40%. So if we want to do that with Bitcoin, that would mean that we need to get up to 36,000. Still, I think that if we get to this level, that also counts. It is possible to get to 36,000 as well for Bitcoin, but I mean, we should not talk about that too much, I think, because that's a very big gain even from where we are right now, and a lot of resistance areas to break. We had less resistance areas last year around that support. So what that meant, that big increase and the market quieting down at that point of time last year, is that support would actually hold for the remainder of that short bear market. So I'm not sure if the same counts for this year and for this bear market, because I'm not sure if the bear market is the same. If this is a real bear market such as 2018, then I don't think 25,000 will hold this level around here. What I do think is that it will hold for a longer period of time than I thought yesterday. Yesterday I thought it would hold for a couple of days. Now I'm fairly confident that it will hold for weeks, to be honest. And that is quite a prediction, but it is really what I believe in as of right now. So that's a great thing as well. And we will probably consolidate then, kind of depending on where we're heading right now. I do believe, as I said, we're heading towards that 33,000 level. Then we'd probably consolidate between 33 and 25,000, something like this. And then while the time moves on, we will be more, or we could be more accurate about, this fib is completely wrong, but we could be more accurate about whether we actually think 25,000 is going to hold for the long run, or whether we're going to drop down lower. That really depends on what kind of consolidation we get and how strong the bullish moves are. Because, for example, last year, you could see that after this move, which we're now comparing with the move we just made, we actually found a lot of strong bullish touches off of a level just above that. So, for example, if we now get up to 33,000 and we get a lot of bullish touches off of 30K again, you know, that would suggest that 25,000 and the market is more strong and bullish, so that again increases the chance of staying at this level, and maybe some recovery at the end of this year or somewhere later in this year. So yeah, that was basically my video. It was a pretty long video, but I think we discussed some important things. So I hope you found it valuable. I hope you found it enjoying in some sort of way. I always try to try to make my videos enjoying, but I do realize that they might be a little bit boring sometimes. It's no problem. So yeah, but that's basically my analysis and my thoughts right now on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions about this analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.